I'm unboxing a 48-inch single-phase induction motor ceiling fan. This is the basic fan which is available and has been used since decades. When assembled, the fan looks like this. These kinds of basic fans are quite cheap compared to the BLDC motor fans. Here a single-phase induction motor is used and it does not have remote control. When we come to the BLDC motor fans, these are very power efficient but slightly expensive. So I'm going to be unboxing one of these fans. Here we have a BLDC motor fan. So here a big difference is we have to bypass the regulators while installing. An electrician has to ensure that the regulators are bypassed when we install. The instructions are given here. So you can see the wings of the fan are given in a separate box. Here we have the rod, the cups. Quality is pretty good. Then we have the instruction manual, warranty card, and also we will have a remote control. Here you can see a remote along with the battery. So this is how we will be operating the fan. We have speeds, different time settings. The fan comes with many features, like we can set the time when it's going to switch off and so on. Now you can see the BLDC motor. So here we have installed the fan, bypassed the regulator. So the way this works is we have to switch on. The fan won't switch on unless you use the remote. Now I'll be using the remote to switch on the fan. So the red button is the on off button. So when you press the fan, it shows a light indicating that the fan has started. We can set different speeds depending on our need. You can increase the speed from 1 to 5. Also, the time can be set in case we want the fan to switch on or switch off at a given time. These kind of smart features won't be available in basic single-phase induction motor fans. Also, the power consumption is going to be very less. Please comment on which fan do you think is better.